Want to give your birds the ultimate mansion? This HFERTW bird aviary might just be it. Forget cramped cages, this thing is huge. We're talking 164.6 inches long, 163 inches wide, and 83.5 inches tall. Seriously, it's like a bird palace. It's not just about size, though. This aviary is built to last. The galvanized steel construction means it can handle pretty much anything Mother Nature throws at it, so you can use it indoors or outdoors without worry. The steel mesh grid is nice and tight, just 0.4 by 0.4 inches, so no sneaky escapes from your parrots or budgies. Plus, it gives them plenty of fresh air and a great view of the world. One thing I really appreciate is the lockable door. It's a simple feature, but it adds a lot of peace of mind, knowing your birds are safe and sound. And because the mesh is so open, it's super easy to keep an eye on your feathered friends and make sure they're doing okay. Cleaning is also a breeze, thanks to the spacious design. No more struggling to reach every corner. While it's designed for birds, the aviary is also suitable for other small animals like rabbits, ducks, or even chickens. So, if you're looking for a versatile and durable enclosure, this is definitely worth considering. Overall, the HFERTW bird aviary is a fantastic investment for any bird owner who wants to provide their pets with a safe, spacious, and comfortable home. It's sturdy, secure, and easy to maintain, a definite win-win.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.